नमस्कार। आर के त्यागी, NCR गाजियाबाद। ओम सच्ची जनवानी द ट्रूथ स्पीक्स चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें, 1-2 सेकंड लगेगा, हमारी इसमें मदद होगी। और दूसरा ये कि वीडियो को शेयर, लाइक, कमेंट करें। शेयर करने से अधिक रिटायरी साथियों तक जाएगी। ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तक जाएगी। राजेश कुमार त्यागी, मोबाइल नंबर 8588898205। डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शंस में मेरी डिटेल है, देख सकते हैं चैनल पर। आइए एक लेटर का डिस्कशन करते हैं। ऑल इंडिया ऑफिसर्स एसोसिएशन, एस नागराजन ने ये लेटर लिखा है। सेंट्रल ऑफिस से दे रखा है। सर्कुलर नंबर इन्होंने लिखा है 10/8/2024, 15 अप्रैल 24 टू स्टेट कमेटी एफिलेटेड यूनियंस कॉमरेड्स। Is it a right step to convert the base year consumer price index from 1960 to 2016? मतलब उसको इन्होंने एक तरह से अपोज करा है। बैंकिंग वर्कर्स गेट्स द डियरनेस allowance on gratuity quarterly basis on the consumer price index 1960 is equal to 100 hitherto for every rise and fall of 4 points. The government of India, known for its fast forward approach in denying the legitimate rights to workers, introduced the labor reforms consequent upon the steps. The revision of the base year 1960 to 2016 for calculation of the dearness allowance was announced in October 2020. Second है the conversion factor stipulated as under, covering in base year from 1960 to 1982 the multiplier is 4.93, covering the base year from 1982 to 2001 the multiplier is 4.63, covering the base year from 2001 to 2016 the multiplier is 2.88. नंबर थर्ड है, ये कहते हैं द कंसिडर प्राइस इंडेक्स विद बेस ईयर 1960 हैज़ टू बी अराइव्ड एट बाई multiplying the CPI is equal to 2016 with 4.93 and into 4.63 into 2.8 is equal to 66.738 or 65.74. The merger of points 8088 base year 1960 was arrived at 123.03 8088/65.74. अब एक क्वार्टरली एवरेज इंडेक्स इन्होंने दिया है, इसकी डिटेल इन्होंने दी, साझा करी है, लेकिन मैं वो आपको बता नहीं रहा, 5-6 लाइनें हैं। लेकिन आगे कहते हैं द AIBOA वाज कॉन्सिक्वेंटली इकोइंग द अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ DA compensation at par with LIC, while LIC got 108.10% neutralization base year 1960 is equal to 100 as approved by the government of India in their last wage revision on 15th 4/2001. The banking workforce are getting only 100% neutralization instead of achieving the same benefit as the LIC. As that of LIC through collective efforts. The base year was changed from 1960 to 2016. This change is base year from 1960 to 2016 is being opposed by central trade unions since October 2020. It is claimed as a victory that the banking industry is the first one to adopt to the new base year of 2016. What a paradox! ये इन्होंने विरोध करा है इसका ज़बरदस्त। 6th है, while coming the value in the standard consumption basket food items have not been given the due weightage, rather it is reduced to 46.2 to 39%. In Global Hunger Index, India is ranked as low as 94 out of 107 countries, even below Bangladesh and Pakistan. The linking factor for 22 years is 4.93, 1960 to 1982. For 19 years, 4.63, 1982 to 2001, and 16 years is 2.88, 2001 to 2016, resulting reduction in the weightage of 62% in the 3 years. The change in the base year from 2020 to 2016 is also by much irritating. Much intriguing. The governor of RBI, 7th कहता है governor of RBI Sri Sasikant Das in the periodical meetings specifically focused on containing the inflation caused due to the spiraling cost on food consumption, etc. The basket to draw the 2016 index provided minimum importance to the weightage on food consumption. Next 8 number कहता है the 3-member committee constituted for revision of dearness allowance formula along with the management resource representatives finalized the same on 13th October 23, but did not share the whole exercise to other participating unions in the negotiation till the end. 9th कहता है be as it may to accept the change in the base year from 1960 to 2016 series. The amount taken out from the kitty is very substantial, particularly for officers. The said amount remitted back to the kitty should have been utilized to provide reasonable and recognizable compensation to the branch heads who bear the wrath of all in today's atmosphere. 10th है the banking trade unions are the first to accept the retrograde change in consumer price index here in the financial sector through rejected by the central trade unions. Yours comrade S. Nagarajan, जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं AIBOA के, तो इन्होंने इसका विरोध करा और इन्होंने बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री ने इसको स्वीकार किया है. तो ये कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें हैं जो हमें पता होनी चाहिए, और ये जो रिटायरीज साथी हैं उनके लिए ही नहीं है, ये उनके लिए भी हैं जो सर्विस में है.